OnePlus has launched the OnePlus 6 Avengers Edition in China. The Avengers Infinity War-time device had previously been teased, but OnePlus China has given us our first proper look at it. It's based on the most premium OnePlus 6 model, housing 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM, and the specs are identical. The Avengers Edition differs in its looks, what's included in its box, and possibly a theme and wallpaper like seen on the OnePlus 5T Star Wars Edition. The OnePlus 6 Avengers Edition features a golden Avengers symbol at the bottom rear of the unit against a purple, kevlar-style, fiber-textured pattern. It's on top of glass like on the regular OnePlus 6 models. The OnePlus symbol, and the mute switch, are also both in gold. What looks like one of the best Iron Man cases ever, Fight Me, is included with the handset, as is a random Avengers medal, apparently one of 6 to collect as part of a regional competition. As for availability, China is guaranteed, while OnePlus India announced the device in a tweet last month, so it looks like it will also be heading there. US availability is looking unlikely at this point, however. The handset costs 4,199 Chinese yuans in China, the equivalent of around $660. Meanwhile, the regular 8GB plus 256GB model costs 3,999 Chinese yuans, almost exactly the same as the $629 price tag it carries in the US. We'll keep you informed on the OnePlus 6 Avengers Edition release as we learn more. For now, check out the links below for our other OnePlus 6 coverage so far.